Do you want to get monetized on YouTube as quickly as possible? Then you can't miss these strategies I'm about to reveal. Stay until the end of the video because I have an extra secret that will make your channel explode. Growing a successful YouTube channel is not a matter of luck, but of strategy. Today, I will reveal 6 fundamental strategies to grow quickly on YouTube and achieve monetization. For monetization on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Suppose we publish a video a day for 30 days, each 10 minutes long, with an average watch duration of 50%. This means getting 5 minutes of watch time per view. To reach 4,000 hours of watch time, you need 48,000 views, which is 1,600 views per video. Even if not all videos get big numbers, by following the right strategies, some might go viral and help you reach your goal faster. As for the 1,000 subscribers, a YouTube channel typically gets 1 to 3 subscribers every 100 views. With 48,000 views and a 2% conversion rate, you could get 960 subscribers. Even though these are hypotheses, no one can guarantee reaching monetization in 30 days because every channel is different. Some will take longer, but some will take less time. Here are the strategies I personally use to grow on YouTube. Strategy number 1, research. Examine channels in your niche and identify which of their videos have gotten the most views in the last month. Watch these videos carefully and combine the best aspects of 2 or 3 of them to create unique and valuable content that offers added value compared to what's already on YouTube. For research, use tools like VidIQ that allow you to see which videos from your competitors are performing best. Strategy number 2, YouTube SEO optimization. You can make the best video in the world, but if no one clicks on your thumbnail, it won't be seen by anyone. Study the thumbnails and titles of successful competitors and understand why they worked. Use tools like Photoshop or even Canva, which is easier to use, to create captivating thumbnails. The important thing is to put yourself in the YouTube user's shoes and think, would I click on this thumbnail? Simple thumbnails generally work better, with a maximum of 3 key elements: vibrant colors and few or no words at all, even if depends on your niche. Your thumbnail must stand out among many others, intrigue viewers, and make them want to click no matter what. For titles, look at the titles of videos that have worked in the past, or are currently working. You can also use ChatGPT to get some title suggestions. For the description, research the best keywords for your video and then rely on ChatGPT to create a description based on the title of your video and those keywords. Tags aren't that important, but especially at the beginning, when you start a new channel and YouTube's algorithm doesn't know who to show your video to, they can be useful to help it understand your target audience. With VidIQ, you can see the tags used by your competitors and add some of those suggested by the tool also. Strategy number 3, ensure your videos are monetizable. There is nothing worse than meeting the monetization requirements, only to discover you violated YouTube's monetization rules. Now, with the new update, when YouTube doesn't monetize a video, it will tell you the exact start and end time where the violation occurred and what the violation was. Although you can't simply cut that part out and be okay, it helps you understand what not to do next time. But be careful using copyrighted contents, because the concept of fair use is always very borderline, and according to YouTube, a judge, not YouTube, decides on any disputes. You might get a strike or see your entire channel demonetized or even shut down. Better not to risk it and use free copyright contents. Strategy number 4, use an initial hook. In the first few seconds of the video, viewers decide whether to keep watching or move on. Ensure there is consistency between what you promised in the title and thumbnail and what you say at the beginning of the video, so that the viewers will know that the thumbnail and the title was not clickbait, but they will have the answers to their questions. You can also structure your video with questions and answers to maintain audience attention. Strategy number 5, look at your analytics. Check the CTR, click-through rate, of your channel. It is a percentage, for example, 5%, which means that for every 100 times your videos were shown to YouTube users, 5 clicked. Some videos will have higher CTRs and others lower. In the latter case, try changing the thumbnail based on those that have already proven to work on YouTube and see if the CTR increases. Another thing to do is to observe when your viewers are most active on the platform and post your videos at that time. Strategy number 6, quantity over quality. The days of super professional editing to increase retention are waning. Viewers want informations, answers to their questions, or entertainment. Create quality content from a content perspective and interact with your community in the comments. Everyone needs to feel part of a community. As I promised you, here is the secret that is blowing up the channels that are adopting this strategy. What if I told you that you can create a faceless channel easily thanks to the tools that AI provides us? Yes, there are tools capable of writing the script, creating the thumbnail, the title, and even creating the video from the text of your script. If you want to find out what these tools are and how to use them to create your next video, don't miss the video that has just appeared somewhere over my head.